Welcome back to the Monsoon Nightclub at the Desert Diamond Casino for Lucky Break. I'm Shannon with Kim FM. Again, all the details on Lucky Break are at kimfm.com. Just log on, find out how maybe you could be on your way towards $25,000. Tonight's winner with the judges winner gets dinner for two at the Desert Diamond Casino and moves into the semifinals. And then we'll also have a text vote winner. But right now, our last contestant of the evening, Teresa Jones. Come on out here. Teresa, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. You got to fill us in on your background. What do you do?
Just karaoke. I'm a nurse, so I don't sing very much.
What made you decide to come out for Lucky Break?
My friends from work.
Well, you must be a pretty good singer then, right? You want to head towards $25,000?
Yes, I would love $25,000.
Good. What are you going to sing for us tonight?
Before You Cheat.
Carrie Underwood. Let's do this. Knock it out of the park. Teresa, this could be your Lucky Break. Good luck.
Thank you. Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a bleached blonde tramp, and she's probably getting frisky. Right now, he's probably buying her some fruity little drink, 'cause she can't shoot a whiskey. Right now, he's probably up behind her with a pool stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. And he don't know. I done my key into the side of his pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive. Carved my name into his leather seat. I took a look at his lug at a both headlights, slashed a hole in all both sides, and maybe next time he'll think before he cheats. Right now, she's probably up singing some white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk, and he's thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably dabbing on $3 worth of their bedroom polo. Oh, he don't know that I dug my key into the side of his pretty souped-up four-wheel drive, carved my name into his leather seat. I took a look at his lug at up both headlights, slashed a hole in all four sides, and maybe next time he'll think before he cheats. I might have spent a little trouble for the next girl, because the next time that he cheats, oh, you know it won't be on me. No, not on me. 'Cause I dug my key into the side of this pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive, carved my name into his leather seat.
Teresa, all right, good job. Let's go down to the judges' table and see what they thought, okay? Mike, what did you think of Teresa's performance?
Teresa, first of all, again, dressing for the part, I like it. I think you came out and you started a little bit slow, and I know that's nerves for you. And you know, the song is that little sassy thing coming out and being where you came out in the middle. And so, you know, if you would have come out strong to start with, I would give it a higher score because I think you came out at the end. I'm going to give you a 5 for right now.
All right, let's go to Beth and see what she thought of your performance, okay?
I would agree that it was a good song choice for you, and it definitely showed your voice a little bit, but you were a little nervous in the front part. I'm going to give you a 5 also.
All right, let's go to Joey. What did you think?
Good job up there, Teresa. You know, that song requires attitude. It really does.
And a baseball bat.
Yeah,
come on.
And a baseball bat, exactly.
Right.
And you know, I heard it in your voice, but I didn't see it up on the stage. Your stage presence up there. You almost looked a little bored when you were standing up there. I mean, a great tone up there. Good control. Right now, I'll give you 6.
All right, very nice. Congratulations. Good luck, Teresa. Okay. All right, that's it. Those are all of our contestants. Remember, if the person you want to vote for did not win with our judges' vote tonight, you have to text. Text their number to 68683. If you want to vote for Teresa, text her number to 68683. All the details are online at kimfm.com. And as always, we'd love to have you out here to the Desert Diamond Casino to watch a taping of Lucky Break. We'll be right back with tonight's winner, the Lucky Break at the Monsoon Nightclub with Kim FM.